I continued my exploration of Stockholm by leaving at 9 a.m. and walking to Sodermalm. I needed a quick and cheap bite, so I got a McToastie as I made my way to the island. It was beautiful by the water, and I reached a viewpoint at Maria Brigette where I could see the city. Afterwards, I passed by more parks and little stalls. Another little treat was in order as I stopped at a bakery. I finally made it to Tantelinden, which has stunning fall colors as leaves fell and mushrooms hid. There's over 100 members in the community garden at this park, and the plots were so cute and charming. Later, I got a late lunch with a mushroom grilled cheese sandwich and couldn't help picking up more sweets. I stopped at the Catholic cathedral, which was peaceful inside. Tired, I returned to my hostel, ate my sweet treats, and took a nap before heading out to see the lights in Gamla stan. Here's how much my day cost.